Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. So children, we are meeting after a week, right? You had vacation, so I hope you enjoyed your vacations. All right, amazing. So let's get started with our today's class. Again, I would like to reiterate the ones who have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel uh, because all these sessions go live on YouTube. And if you subscribe to the channel, you will get regular updates. So kindly do that. All right. And there is a live chat under the video. You can use that to answer the questions. Okay, perfect. Now, let's see what's our topic for the day. It is LCM and HCF by prime factorization. Okay, so today we are going to find the LCM, means the least common multiple, and HCF means the highest common factor by prime factorization. Now let's see what is that method. Okay, if we have to find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 8 by prime factorization. So prime factorization is here, you have to write all the prime numbers. You have to split it in the form of prime numbers. 6 is equal to, can I write 6 as 2 times 3? Of course I can. Now 8, it can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number here, and 3 is a prime number here. Now LCM, product of prime factors either in 6 or in 8. Now 2, 2, 2 and 3. Okay. So what we have done here is basically you can make a group of this. Okay. Then 2 extras are remaining and 3. Or you can consider it like it's 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2. So which is the maximum? 3. You have to take the maximum ones. 2, 2, 2, which is 3 times, and 1, 3. 3 is 1 time maximum. So this is the prime factorization method to find the LCM, which is the least common multiple. LCM. Got it? Is that clear to you, dear children? Okay. And what about HCF? How do we find the HCF? So HCF, to find the highest common factor, it's like you just have to make a pair. I can just make a pair of 2. So the HCF is 2. So in LCM, you have to take the maximum occurrence, right? And in HCF, you just have to make a pair. Okay? This is the difference between LCM and HCF. Least common multiple like this by, taking the maximum occurrences. And highest common factor is like you have to make a pair, which is in both, the prime factor, which is present in both. And here in LCM, product of prime factors either in 6 or 8. So children, that's all. That's all we are going to do today. So the explanation part is over. Now what we are going to do is practice this. But before I give you the practice questions, let's do one more question. Okay. So if I find out if I do the prime factorization of 4, I'll do it as 2 times 2. Okay. I'm writing it twice here to make you understand the difference between LCM and HCM. Okay. 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. Now here I'll be finding out the LCM and here I'll be finding out the HCF. Right? Okay. So LCM is product of prime factors either in 6 or in 8. Okay. So I can see the maximum occurrence of 2 is twice. And then we have a 5. Okay. And HCF, I can make only one pair. So it is 2. Can we check it, please? Come on, everyone. Is this correct? What do you think? The way we did in the previous question, did we do it in the same way? Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 is the LCM and 2 is the HCF. Okay. Maximum occurrences in the LCM, and it HCF, it's like just make a pair, right? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. I would like you to do it first. Write the factors, prime factors basically. Come on, dear children, the same way. First, do the prime factorization, and then with the help of that, we are going to find out the LCM and HCM. Okay, I hope you figured out the prime factors, like factorization you have done. Okay, so 6, 2 times 3 is 6, and 10, 2 times 5 is 10. If I see the LCM, so LCM is 2 is occurring maximum, like it's just one time. 3 is there, 5 is there. And if I talk about HCF, there is only one pair, which is 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30 is the LCM, and HCF is 2. Did you get the same answer? If yes, then you are doing great. Amazing. So let's go to the next question. LCM of 8, LCM and HCF both of 8 and 10. Come on, dear children. Eight and 10 both. Okay. So if I talk about 8, it's 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Now 2 times 5 is 10. LCM this side, HCF, let's take it to that side. Okay. Now LCM is maximum occurrences you will take. 2 is thrice, and there is 1, 5. HCF, you just have to make a pair, and I can make a pair of 2 only. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 4 is 40. LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. And HCF is 2. HCF is 2. Highest common factor. Did you get the same answer? I want to see. Easy, right? Okay, now let's go to the next question and see what it is. 6 and 9. HCF and LCM of 6 and 9. Come on. Let's do the factorization. So over here, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. and 9 is 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now if I talk about LCM, maximum occurrences, I have to take so 3 is twice and 2 is once. In HCF, I can just make a pair of 3, so it's 3. And LCM is 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18, LCM is 18. HCF is 3. All right. Come on, children. Okay, now let's do the next one, 6 and 12. I hope you got this right answer of the previous question. If yes, then come on, do this one. HCF and LCM of 6 and 12. You can do it. Okay, now let's do it. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, you can also say that 2 times 6 is 12. But my dear children, 6 is not a prime number. So I can further split this 6 into 2 times 3. Okay, so what I will write instead of 6, 2 was already there. Then instead of 6, I'll write 2 times 2 times, wait. Yeah, 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so if I say what is the LCM, it's like the maximum occurrences of 2 is 3. Sorry, 2, 1, 2. And for 3, it's 1. Okay. And if I talk about the HCF, I can make a pair of 2 and a pair of 3. So HCF is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah. LCM is 12. And HCF is 6. Yeah. That's how you have to do it. Let's see the next one. 6 and 15. Make sure when you do the factorization, like it's prime factorization, so the factors should be prime numbers only. Okay, factors should be prime numbers only. Okay, so the prime factorization of 6 is 2 times 3. And for 15 is, wait, for 15, it's 3 times 5. Okay, now LCM, 2 is only once, 3 is only once, and 5 is also there once. And HCF, I can just make a pair of 3. So 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30, 30 is the LCM, least common multiple, and HCF, that is the highest common factor, is 3. Highest common factor is 3. In the times table of 3, you see both 6 and 15. Okay. 1 is also there, 3 is also there, but we are finding the HCF, no? So HCF is 3. Highest number. 8 and 12. 8 and 12. Come on, dear children. Okay. So we are finding for 8 and 12, right? Okay, so here for 8, you must be thinking it can be 2 times 4 also. But no, dear children, 4 is not a prime number. You have to split this 4. So what I can write, 2 times 2 is 4, right? So it will be 2 times, and 4 is written as 2 times 2, right? And 2 times 6 is also 12. But no, we have to split it like 2 times 3, which is 6. So what we can write, 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Now let's find out the LCM. LCM, maximum occurrences, you know that. So 2 is occurring 3 times, like that is the maximum, and 3 one time. And if I talk about HCF, I can make this pair 1, 2, 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3, 24. And it's, sorry, HCF, 2 times 2 is 4. That means 4 is the HCF of 8 and 12, and 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. I hope I made this clear to you. Let's do one more question. 9 and 15. Come on, 9 and 15. Okay, so for 9 and 15, do the prime factorization. All right, so I hope it's done. If I talk about 9, It's 3 times 3, and 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so LCM, I can say 3 is occurring maximum twice, and there is 1 5. And HCF is just the common thing, which is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 is the LCM of 9 and 15. And HCF of 9 and 15 is 3. So that's how you are supposed to find the LCM and HCF. Least common multiple and highest common factor. Okay. I hope it's clear to you. Yeah. Okay. So let's like with this children, we came towards the end of our class, and we will continue to do this and further more topics in the upcoming classes. By the time, you just keep practicing, like think of two numbers randomly. It could be anything, right? Just try to find out their LCM and HCF and see what it is. And if there is nothing common, then what will be the HCF? It will be 1. There's nothing common in between two numbers. Let's say 7 and 12. 7 times 1 is 7, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, like that. And there is nothing common in between both of them. Then 1 will be the HCF. Okay. So thank you so much, dear children, for watching this session. I'll see you soon in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun. See you.